Welcome back to Maple Motors, guys. We're going for a test drive today in a 1976 International pickup truck. Be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws, see how she runs and drives. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Call for more information on the motor. We're not used to having these trucks in it all the time. So hopefully we can help you out and tell you exactly what size it is. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. You can check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information, and also hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. We have a walk around on this one, pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside, checking out the undercarriage. But this video right here, we're going for a test drive. Are y'all ready? It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Checking out the interior before we take off. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? A little game we like to play up here. Dash is in great condition. A little bit of a console here. Your shifter's in the floor, so is your engine temp. Go ahead and start her up. She starts up nice and easy. The blower motor's blowing right on my legs right now. No AC in this one at the moment. Alternator gauge is coming up. Gas gauge is not reading correctly. Oil pressure gauge is not coming up as well. And the aftermarket temperature obviously is down there, so. Do have the faceplate to the radio in the office. We take them out just so we don't have any issues here. The top on this does come off, but we got to do a lot of unbolting, so I'm not doing that today. We're just going to take it down the road and see how she drives. I've never actually driven one of these guys. We'll try it out. I kind of like it. Truck guy myself, but never driven one of these, so I'll let you know everything that I see that may be wrong. That way you know before you get here. The mirror's a little bit loose over here. All right. Front end feels pretty good. A little bit of slack in that front end though. The steering's just nice and soft, easy to turn. Pretty bumpy too. It's going straight as an arrow down the road. Speedometer's coming up. Get around the cow manure this guy's driving around with. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. Try our brakes before we get too close to these people. The brakes are stopping just fine. They feel good for what they are. Engine temperature is coming up down here, and it's showing 160 right now. Tell you what, it runs and drives pretty good for what it is. I like it. Good cruiser. Pull in the parking lot. I'm gonna get some outside shots, drive over the camera, let you check out the underside. You can see all of my equipment below in the description if you're interested in making any of these videos. Just gotta go get you a GoPro and some mounts. All right, let's jump out and get these shots. right, we're gonna jump off in here. Go ahead and take this thing down the road. Get y'all in the virtual driver's seat here. Just checking my camera to make sure y'all are in the right position. I don't want to be looking at the floor or the ceiling. So far so good. Engine temp sitting at 190. We've been sitting in the parking lot driving around everywhere, not having any overheating issues. Oh, I'm a little hot though. Maybe I could roll down this window over here. Check the window out. The window's being a little stiff. You see that? We'll have to check out when we get back. Window over here is going to need help coming down. Probably have to use 2 hands to get it rolled down. Glad I checked that. We're going to be taking a right turn up here onto the street. It's got a significant speed bump in the middle. You can kind of listen for rattles, squeaks, and gives you an idea on suspension in this truck. I'll point it out, it's coming up right beside the street sign here, right here. A little bit more bumpier than the other vehicles we've been driving in, but it sounded like we got a little bit of a rattle coming from the bed back there, typical with the truck. All right, guys, I appreciate you riding along with me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to view more cars from us. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com for financing information, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Also, if you hit that subscribe button, you can see videos that I post every single day. Give us a call at 615-822-4444. I do appreciate y'all watching. I have a walk around video on this truck that you could check out, point out any of the other flaws, and then the test drives always help out. Plus those 100 detailed pictures on our website. If you get all that information, you're gonna know this vehicle before you travel to come see us. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.